Hi guys, it's me, Megan, and I'm super excited to show you how to make a super simple, easy green mojo sauce. And all that's in it is some vinegar, some salt, some garlic, some oil, some limes, some jalapeno, cilantro, and parsley. That's it. And it makes a perfect marinade for meats, tofu. You can use it as a topping for salads, rice bowls, Buddha bowls. You can use it as a dip and eat it with chips, whatever you want to do. So let's get started. We're going to put everything in the blender. So we're going to put a whole bunch of cilantro in the blender. And we're going to do half a bunch of parsley. So just a little bit. And then we're going to do half a cup of oil. We're using olive oil. Try not to spill it. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of garlic. Throw all that in there. Delicious. A little pinch of salt. And a tablespoon or 2 of vinegar. Woo! There we go. I'm going to cut my limes. Make sure you roll them out so they're extra juicy. Let's put all that lime juice in there. Ooh, juicy. This is going to be a delicious sauce. I'm super excited for you guys to try it. Ooh, I almost got myself in the face. Ugh, lime juice burns. Alright, and then I'm going to wipe off my hands, roughly chop this jalapeno, and don't worry about your knife cuts, they do not have to be perfect. I always worry about my knife cuts, I always say they're really rough, but that's fine, there's nothing wrong with that. Throw this in there, I'll put it on the blender, put it on a low setting. Ooh, that looks good. And this is one of my favorite sauces. It's so good. I remember the first time Carlos made it, I wanted to eat it on everything. And we even shared it with some friends and they loved it. And ironically enough, mojo means lucky. So any dish you put this on is going to be one lucky dish. We're gonna go ahead, make sure you taste it, make sure it's all good. Tastes delicious. I might need a little bit more salt, so I'll add some in. Just a little bit. Oops, I spilled a little bit. And then it comes out looking like a beautiful green sauce. And it is so delicious. So thank you for staying tuned and watching your favorite Rojo make you this mojo sauce. Thank you guys. Appreciate you. Love you.